Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Zuniarti. In this video, I will do presentation about on-the-job training report. I'm training on Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis company. For the first, we will discuss the topic from chapter 1, which is about introduction. On the 1.1, I will explain about background. Okay, so why I'm do training in this company. I'm choose this company because it is accordance with my passion and school major. I chose this as it is part of duty of the student is vocational student. Okay, next 1.2 it is about company profile. PT Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis has been founded in 2011 by Mr. David Harrison Bumi. It is logo company. And where is Aplika company is located at Grand Sleepy Tower, level 42, HG Jenderal Suparman Street, Palmerah, West Jakarta City, Special Capital Region of Jakarta. This company focus business communication service. This company provide the most reliable and cost effective ways to businesses communication and communication solution and service, as well as personal cloud computing service to client. PT Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis cloud-based business solution include Aplika Business Conferencing, Aplika Open Organization, Aplika Seat Booking, Computenic, EasyStack, Hodu CC, CStack, Recommit, Zuhu Analytic, and its service as it has own function. Okay, next on 1.3 I will explain about purpose. Okay, in this job training report at PT Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis is written to fulfill English report assessment as the recruitment to finish the final project in this last semester. For this job training report at Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis is written to enrich the knowledge about experience of solution in introductional industrial job for the student of vocational school taken computer and network engineering program. For number 3, this job training report at Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis is written to enrich the skill experience, especially related to skill competent program for students of vocational school of Legok of One. For 1.4 about advantage. Okay, this job training report at PT Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis is written to get some benefit information of knowledge about situation in the job training area at Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis to wherever a student of vocational school taken computer and network engineering, especially for the student at vocational school 1 of Lego. This is job training report. PT Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis is written to get information about everything knowledge that can be obtained. As along the job training report, the job training has been conducted, especially information and knowledge about computer and network engineering. Okay, for the second, we will discuss the topic from chapter 2. Chapter 2, this is about practical training. For 2.1, it is organization employments. Okay, this is a structured company. I will in this share I'm in this internship in there. Two, it is training outline and environment. Okay, I have a time for training at PT Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis. I learned many things in the cloud file experience Oracle. In this training, I learned what it is as follows. Number 1, learn new knowledge in the company, namely Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Okay, I understand about the concept of cloud computing, understanding cloud infrastructure, learn the basic of Oracle Cloud, learn about security in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, studying database, and learning about OC pricing and billing. So last for blogging article. Okay, for number 2, Oracle Cloud Architecture. I'm creating a security system in OC, create instance, creating a web server, do peering, creating storage, creating database, blocking, data migration, and manage storage. And so for the last following certification, I'm take exam Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation certification. Okay. 2.3 is identifying current project and following up the work. Okay, the 4th week of December to February until February. For the first week, I learned about Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation, starting from an introduction to cloud, understanding cloud infrastructure, creating a topology as Asburn region, knowing more about service are available, shock storage, instant network, identity and access management, and database in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. It is that in this to learn about 20 online meeting with Mr. David and 2 online meeting with Mr. Ferry, also for training progress report. Okay, it is my track. I take a foundation. It is my report progress on 2 months. Okay. In mid-February, I started preparing for the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure certification with practice equation. On the 24th of February, I did a Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation exam at school with Mr. Ferry as a mentor and supervisor from Oracle team. I get a score 80%, and the result is I'm passed the exam. And I thank God I passed with pretty satisfying score. Okay, I get a budget and certification of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation level. It is my certification. Okay, on March until July 2021, I learned in March to July. I studied a second track, namely Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architecture. Okay, in March, I start my progress from Oracle Cloud Architecture track. There is several projects in this month, namely making Apache Nginx and Open Lightspeed web server, and I learned how to make a computer. This is more. There is 9 meeting with Mr. David. Okay, in early April, this was meeting with Mr. David and Mr. Ferry. This meeting to report my progress during training in March. In April, I did a lot of troubleshooting, perform auto scaling on the server, load balancing, preparing, pairing, dynamic routing, and dynamic routing gateway, copy cross region, and many other. In April, I upload three blog on website, 2 blog in Indonesia and 1 blog in English. There is a 9 month of meeting of the Mr. David. At the end of the month, there is a meeting. With Mr. Ferry, Mr. David, and Mr. Ferry to report my progress in training report. In May, I did a troubleshooting about block volume, attack races, backup, detect, and cloning, and about container Kubernetes. At the meeting in May, I was with Mr. David held 30 meeting. In early June, I had a meeting with Mr. David and Mr. Ferry for reporting training progress in May. In June, I traveled various databases. In 1 month of June, I was with Mr. David, had 16 meetings. Okay, in early July, I had meeting with Mr. David and Mr. Ferry for report my progress on the training for July month, June month. it is my track. I take architect, and it is my progress. Okay, last the chapter, we will discuss the topic from chapter 3, which is about closing and recommendation. 3.1, it is about conclusion. My experience during training at PT Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis, I gained a lot of experience. It is in this training, I can know how the system from a remote job. I got the international certificate of its that is Oracle Cloud Foundation. By learning the track of the company, I learning how to become a cloud architect. And okay, next for 3 and 3.2 suggestion and recommendation. There is not many suggestions for PT Aplika Karya Solusi Bisnis. It is just that a project might given as an implementation after studying the material. Okay, this is all about my report on the job training report. I'm sorry if there a mistake, and thanks for watching.